if you want to download the images from your Squarespace website, it's so easy to do. Now, the one caveat to this, and it's something that when I first recorded this video about a year or so ago, I didn't actually even know. And it's when you download it, it's going to be a compressed and slightly lower res version of the image. So you can't download the exact same quality of image that you uploaded. So if you, let's say you're a photographer or an architect or something that requires really high res imagery, this isn't the best way to go. But if you just quickly need the image, I think it's like, I don't know what resolution it is, but it's not as high quality as it once was. But for quick access, this is how you do it. So under website here, you'll see assets. So we click into here and you're going to see all the various imagery on your site. Now, if you want to grab it, all you need to do is click on the three dots and file details. From here, you'll right click, save the image, and you can, give it a name. So handsome man, obviously, and then that, where you actually want to save it to, hit save, and that's that. So once it's downloaded, you can go and use that however you want to use it, but just know it's not going to be the highest quality possible. And honestly, it's as easy as that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.